Listen to me, listen to me. Something is about to happen. Everybody in this crew is bad. From the drummer to the DJ. From the DJ to the keyboardist. From the keyboardist to the lead guy. To this lead, to this one. Everybody just too bad. Just too bad. CJ, are you ready right now? Listen to me. And I say, CJ, we want to hear you. Let's go. CJ, are you ready now? Are you ready now? Are you ready now? Oh yeah, CJ. Oh yeah, CJ. Say, CJ, we want to hear you. Let's go. Let me hear you right now.